Hi, this is Josh down here at Milam Truck Country. Today we're going to be looking at a 2007 Cadillac Escalade. Up front here, we've got a chrome grille, projection headlights, fog lights, rolling on 22-inch custom wheels. Already got the tinted windows. Inside, we have black leather interior, power seats, CD, Bluetooth. Moving to the back, we have third row seating, rear air conditioning, power rear lift gate. Seats are very easy to fold down, also just as easy to take out. We've got a tow hitch already wired up for the lighting. Come down and check it out while it's still here. Again, my name is Josh Nicholas. My number is 253-888-5328.